Hello everyone, so welcome to the first video of multi-threading in Python. So here to use the threading concept, okay, in Python program, then we have to write import and we have to write threading. That is the first thing. And second thing is here we are writing only one line of a code, that is just a print message, and we are printing current executing thread, and that is in double quotation, that is this message it will print as it is. And then threading dot current underscore thread function dot name. So the threading module, this is the threading module, which contains one function, that is current underscore thread function, and which will return actually current executing thread object. And we need to call actually we need to call get name function, but it is now deprecated, so we are using dot name instead of get name function. Earlier it was like get name function, but now if you write dot name, it will print the current executing thread. So let's check the output of this. Control S and F5. See, current executing thread, and the name of that thread is what? Main thread. Thank you everyone.